Countryman, countrywoman, I hope say una nang fine for play on a day. I hope say teenage worker fine for play on a day. Even for blue on a day, even for shang on a day, let me say for bush on a day. Because some people they do for bush, they feel also say they want go in life where they take their rest for shang. You know, easy. Me I don't be na mawa grow for Ekuna Mbenge for coffee quarter for corner apostolic church. We go Matango, we go Mashuma, we go Fireborn, we go Black Bush, we go Roman 4. We go mountain, we don't go plenty places. So that's so the thing day. So if you be my way, you know Ekuna Salotu. If you don't know Ekuna Asoso Salotu. My way I don't be Muyoka, I don't stay Balange, I don't stay Mutengene, I don't stay Buya, I don't stay Koteng, I don't stay Yaoundé, Douala, I don't stay plenty places. So countryman, na time this for blow na news. News will get na just 3. 1 na Paul Atanga Nji, 2 na Sarkozy, number 3 na Vladimir Putin. We'll start with the first one with na Paul Atanga Nji. Paul Atanga Nji ikam Douala. Una no say for the 12th of October, election go hold for some part for Cameroon because the truth be said, election no fit hold for all country. For Southwest and Northwest, it will be totally difficult for semi election hold for them because for that side, Ghost Town, it is serious one. Place the lockdown day. So election go hold for part for Cameroon. Let me say for this side, for Douala, for all 8 regions, the normal. But for that side, it will be very difficult. Now, Atanga you can Douala for look at how security matter in the past. Atanga Nji, instead for talk say this so, I talk like a minister. That one I hear where Atanga Nji they talk. When I hear say man they talk, that one I understand say no. This man they talk like militant for CPDM. And they talk like minister. How minister for territorial administration when I take care for election, take care for security. They talk about election where all man be candidate, where all man supposed to go, it will be free and fair. But Atanga Nji matter. Now say opposition no get forget coalition. We go print 12 paper. We no want time. This kind of coalition na quarter coalition where they want begin make am. That comment where Atanga Nji make am concerning coalition for opposition. What be matter for the team? Atanga Nji get for talk na matter where it concern you, no be matter where it not concern you. We understand as say be minister for CPDM, no be minister for country. If the people then they be the doubt time before. That will be the talk say the man this one as on kind malamanguru man, na uru man. Now the example this na thing that happen. Minister for country, minister will respect himself, minister will know what they call as a law, minister will know what they call as a communication. It talk na matter where it concern you. Atanga Nji enter inside intrigues. That means say they want to make coalition. Which kind of coalition? That kind of quarter coalition where they make them. We no get time for that one. We go print 12 ballot papers for go for election. If they want to make coalition, they will make coalition before election, before they want to validate their candidacy. Some of you be ministers, so you don't know how it's in the function of a country. Because now the truth that truth be told, Atanga Nji don't know how it's in the function. Now the thing that you see now, it fight Issa Tchiroma, fight Velo Buba. It don't fight Maurice Kamto Sote, Maurice Kamto no be candidate. Now Maurice Kamto no be candidate. The fact say Maurice Kamto a party, they want support to other candidates. It don't enter for inside the thing hot under belly. It try way if you will be there with Atanga Nji for talk say it ban all opposition parties in Cameroon. If you don't do sense. If you don't do sense, that kind of person way it carry pobia for hate pass pobia itself. I'm saying that kind of pobia they should also look and say, hey, the man. If you know hold it, if you do some kind of thing, now so Atanga Nji dey. It just enter, all you hate, Minister Atanga Nji, you get for learn sense. Say when you talk to a concerned law, to a concerned your order, to a concerned you. You don't get for begin talk. They say opposition, no kind of opposition. If you make coalition, they make coalition. They ask you for make coalition. The people will be legal expert, the way they work for Minister of Territorial Administration. They don't tell you say opposition get for ask authorization for Minad before it do coalition. Or if you wanna print ballot paper, them it go how they talk it go disturb their coalition. No one day. I mean I don't know. I need to know. I don't know who they advise this Atanga Nji, but the Atanga Nji man, it just talk anyhow. To a come up for a mob, it talk it talk how a character day. I don't talk my own. So the way that I made it happen, when election go happen, we hope say the coalition will be how they try to make them because unity na strength. Na so they talk for play work come out. Countryman, countrywoman. Yeah. Play way. Gaddafi dey now. The play where don't die, where they kill stay the bury. Gaddafi the glad small. Why I talk say Gaddafi the glad small? Gaddafi the glad small because as I talk for una now so, they don't give 5 years for ngatta. 5 years for ngatta for that criminal. What they call it say Nicolas Sarkozy. 5 years for ye. Na ngatta man na. Nicolas Sarkozy na ngatta man. Sarkozy na ngatta man. Sarkozy na ngatta man. Sarkozy ngatta man. Iki Gaddafi. Take Gaddafi money chopper. Make election with them. Take Gaddafi money. Make a with them. Now Indy for France. They don't condemn me for 5 years for prison. Even how the man will go take the money for Gaddafi. They call it say Pidgin. He don't die recently. Court don't so condemn me. He go take money for Gaddafi, make election, and then send army with Barack Obama and Hillary Clinton with David Cameron. They go kill Gaddafi. Now Sarkozy and Barack Obama and David Cameron and Hillary Clinton, now them quarrel Gaddafi. Gaddafi be one me Africa get one money. Me Africa get one army, one diplomacy, one African bank. Now China be the fight for. Now China will make a semi change organization from African unity to African Union. Now that's what it happen. Now European Union the finance African Union since we Gaddafi die. And Gaddafi died that matter they for court, they go for court. Now that they don't give Sarkozy 5 years for Ngatta. Now the first president that for France, first president, where they condemn me, send them for prison. He go sleep for prison with that and go headway there so back. Yes, you go understand. You know, if you say you don't finish with here, even that might they say Alassane Ouattara for Côte d'Ivoire. The matter go meet up too. Because Alassane Ouattara na so Sarkozy make a for be president now with gun gung. Now so they move back for power with gun and then they put it for chair for Côte d'Ivoire. So now when Sarkozy they go for Ngatta so where Emmanuel Macron get all kind of problem them for hate. Me Alassane Ouattara no say les juges les douta les larmes vont couler. In on time it reach small time when I begin look at now it go reach they go fire ye International Criminal Court they go handcuff ye carry go judge am for day. Now they try the fear that thing it shake it work a shake. We wanna take care this and that. It will happen for you, Alassane Ouattara. You don't see Sarkozy no. You see how we Macron he get problem no. Now so it go be. Countryman, countrywoman. We go for that side for Russia. Vladimir Putin na man we need to talk plenty. It then for action. And they talk for big grammar say action speak louder than voice. That means say action they speak louder than the noise or the make and they talk what we talk up. Now that man they call Donald Trump. He don't go for United Nations after he meet up with Zelensky. He begin coach Russia. So Russia na paper tiger. Na paper tiger say if Russia plane them, they pass through Otanian NATO state, NATO member state, then they shoot the plane for down. Secretary of State for America, where they a foreign minister, he don't talk semi NATO country them, they don't do that kind of thing. Yesterday Macron too don't do interview. He said no, they give for measure the kind of trade they do. Now this today as I talk for una so. Vladimir Putin don't talk say if they shoot any Russian plane na war. That why no ton talk. He say any Russian plane where any NATO country go shoot them down. Now war one time where they want them. I go declare war and they go fight the war. So now that it don't be on top the table. Donald Trump, you ain't make bro. So now that he don't talk up. Putin don't talk say if you wanna shoot the plane, it fight you now. It go for war directly. It no go waste time for make war happen. How una go do now? I want to see the talk where Donald Trump go talk. I want to see the threat where the NATO country they go threaten. I want to see the talk there now. Una shoot one Russian plane if una get canals for una last. If una get bangzang, if una canal the high so, una shoot one Russian plane as Putin not talk. It go enter una skill like a manawa. Sometimes they will go farm for that side for fireborn for Ikona for go cut plum. I don't talk plum. I dey cut plum. Manawa do my head. That's small manawa. Not be going. Not be one for four. Manawa start sting me. I want go down. So my repair the tell me say no. Take care. No go down. Now that kind of manawa way Vladimir Putin. He want bring am for skin for that people where they call themselves say NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. North Atlantic Treaty Organization. We drunk past all man. We dey so. We get America with we. Anything I want, we go do am. We no fear no man. Now Russia that don't tell una. Una shoot their one plane. One Russia plane una go shoot am. Hey. War go enter. Now una war, una go fight una war. Una no begin count on African pikin. They say they will can't help Europe for fight war against Russia. Una lie una self. Una go fight that war. I go be in a full blown on war. And plenty country will solve their problem then. After that, una nonsense, una make am. Una say na Africa, una they just talk for them any heart. We go shoot on a plane, we go do this on a plane. Russia already tell una, shoot my plane. I declare war for the country. Shoot my plane. War between Russia and that country. Now so the matter there, countryman, countrywoman. Now for here, we're going to end this was small program for this day. My will never be a subscriber for here. I beg, maybe subscribe. Click subscribe. For say you get more information anytime we come live for broker for chakara una wa Pidgin program.